Good morning, folks. It's Monday, the 17th of February. We're going to take a look here at the Bitcoin chart. And you can see we've had a nice rally off the low that we made back in December. And you can see there's a 50% retracement off the old move. That just closed slightly above it. And now you can see we're backing off. There's a couple of zones here. If you take the one we came down, we supported at this lower black line here a couple of times, tried to rally, and then we broke down, broke through it. Then the first rally got us back into this zone, but then we came down to a new low. And you can see now we're back. We've got back above the support. Now we've broken above the zone, and you can see now we're coming back into it. So a good level to keep an eye on will be a 382, which is the bottom of the zone, which is this support level we had over here. And so it's just below, around that 9,000 area. It'll be a good place to take a look at it. Come down to a 4-hour chart. You can see we've completed some patterns here. Here's your 4-hour, and we've completed an ABCD from the low we made at the beginning of the year. That's the one that completed in blue. We've also completed 3 drives to a top, drive 1, drive 2, drive 3, and now we're backing off. And you can see we're at 50% of the last swing low we had. We're testing these lows over here. Now this might be it. This might be it if we're going higher. So this is an area to keep an eye on. If you start breaking down, then we're looking at what we were looking at on the weekly, possible pull back into this low at 9,000. So it's one to keep an eye on. If we get down to the 382 and we find support, that sets up, and then we start higher. Once we get above here, that sets up an A, B, C, D to 13,000. This would be an A, B swing. If we just assume we get down to the 382 and start higher, there's your CD swing had come in around about 13,000. So it's worth keeping an eye on. So watch this retracement pretty closely, folks, and it could be a good opportunity to buy again. So it's just keep an eye on it. Get down this 382. If it starts to rally, you won't have to risk very much, see if it's going to work, and you'd get a good move off it. So that's what I'm seeing in Bitcoin this morning, folks. So take care and trade safely.